Very good morning, students. Today we will be learning about linear inequalities. In this linear inequality, first we have already learned what is a linear equation. A function, if it is in the form of f of x is equals to ax plus b, where a and b are constants. A and b are constants which belongs to the real numbers. And here a is called slope of the line. A is called slope of the line. And b is y-intercept. B is y-intercept. So this means we can write that x-intercept as x is equals to minus b by a. When we can obtain this formula, if ax plus b is 0. If this case is given, means if linear equation is equals to 0, then obviously we can obtain that x is minus b by a, where a is the slope and b is the y-intercept. But if the situation is in this format, if we are saying a situation that a tower whose height is greater than 100 meters. So in this case we need to represent x greater than 100. X greater than 100. So we are using inequality symbol here. Inequality symbol. So in this case we have to go with the linear inequalities. Let us take an example and try to understand this. For example, if we are saying 2x plus 5 is greater than 15. Is greater than 15. So it is a linear equation. So how to solve this? 2x plus 5 is greater than 15. Like a normal equation only we can solve it. But we have to remember the inequality rules. What is? If we are interchanging that, we are dividing by negative number, inequality will change. That cases we have to remember. So we have to remove first plus 5. We need to add minus 5 on both sides. So 2x plus 5 minus 5 is greater than 15 minus 5. So 2x is greater than 10. Next I have to divide by 2. That is 2x by 2 is greater than 10 by 2. X will be greater than 5. This is the way of solving a linear equation. Linear inequation, not equation, inequation. So what will be the set notation form, inequality notation form? Here I am talking about x greater than 5. X greater than 5 means 5 will not include 5 comma infinity. Open interval 5 comma infinity. Let us take another question based on this. Second question, 3x minus 5 is less than 3x plus 1, less than or equals to x plus 1. So in this case we will transpose the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. First let us write the equation as it is, x plus 1. So if I transpose plus x to this side, it will become minus x less than or equals to 1 plus 5. So 3x minus x is 2x is less than or equals to 6. I have to get only x, I have to divide by 2. 2x by 2 is less than or equals to 6 by 2. That is x less than or equals to 3. What will be the notation over here? Since he is talking about e, so it will be open interval, sorry, negative number minus infinity comma 3. But since it is the equal to symbol, it will be closed interval. Minus infinity comma 3. Let us take another question. Question number 3. 3x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. So in this case, first we will solve this. 3x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0, the first case, and 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. Extra is minus 9, so add 9 on both sides. So it will become 3x minus 9 plus 9 is greater than or equal to 9. 4x minus 10 plus 10 is less than or equal to 6 plus 10. 3x is greater than or equal to 9. If we divide by 3, x greater than or equal to 3. Here 4x is less than or equal to 16. If we divide by 4, x less than or equal to 4. So we have x greater than or equal to 3 and x less than or equal to 4. So what will be the notation from here? Let us represent first this on the number line. So here both are positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3, this is 4. He is talking about equal to. So 3 should include, 3 should include. Greater than or equal to 3 means all these values will be. And less than or equal to 4 means all these values will be. Means between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 only the values are going to take. So this can be written in two forms here. Means this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. If I want to write the first notation, this is minus infinity comma 3 union. Here 4 comma infinity. Close bracket, okay? 4 comma infinity. Or else this can be written in simplified form as 3 comma 4 in closed intervals. Both also correct. We can write in these two formats. See this question, students. Example 2.9. A girl A is reading a book having 446 pages. So total number of pages in the book is 446. And she already finished reading 271 pages. So already 271 pages are finished. So till here no problem. She wants to finish the reading within a week. What is the minimum number of pages? So totally week means she will have 7 days in a week. So that in the particular week she has to finish the remaining pages. What is the minimum number of pages that she has to read to complete within a week? So to get this, see here, we have 271 pages now. So we have to get totally 446 pages. In that we have already she has completed 271 pages. So this can be represented as, let x be the number of pages to read. Let x be the number of pages to be read. So we can say that she has only week time, so we can represent it as 7x, 7 days in a week. Na? So each day xx, so it will be 7x plus already she read how many pages here? 271 will be greater than or equal to 446. Because total there are 446 pages, out of that 271 already completed, she has to read some pages which are included in a week. So if I simplify this, 7x is greater than or equals to 446 means 5, 7 and 175. So x will be greater than or equals to 7275. So she has to read at least 25 pages or more than 25 pages she can read in that week. Okay students, now we will start exercise 2.3, some questions. So the first question, represent the following in interval notation. So we are going to define in the interval notation. So the first question, x greater than or equals to -1, x less than 4. X greater than or equals to -1. Let us represent first this on the number line. So minus 1, here it is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, here it is 4. Since here equal to is there and moreover is talking greater than minus 1, so it will be closed bracket, or else we can represent with circle, as we have discussed in the class that we have represented with the closed circle. And here it is open circle, since there is no equal to open circle. Now I am talking about greater than minus 1, so it will be represented in this manner. Less than 4, it will be represented this way. So what will be the interval notation here? Minus infinity to plus infinity. So if I consider this case, so we have two values here, minus infinity and minus 1. So the smallest number is minus infinity here, minus infinity comma minus 1, but it should be closed union. Here 4 and infinity. So 4 should be open bracket. Why? Because it is open circle, comma infinity. So this can be represented as minus 1 comma 4, like this we can write. X belongs to. Let us take the second question. X less than or equals to 5. X greater than or equals to minus 3. So in this case, the same manner, let us represent it in a number line. Five and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Okay. So both are equal to symbols are there, so we have represented with the dotted circle. Close the circle. Fine. Now x less than 5. X less than 5 means this total area is equal, this total values. And x greater than minus 3 means this total values. So the range of these two values will be our answer. So let me mention here it as minus infinity, here it will be plus infinity. So x less than or equals to 5 means 5 comma infinity. 5 comma infinity. Since 5 we are considering, it will be closed bracket, 5 comma infinity union, first negative number, so minus infinity comma minus 3, which is also closed. So since both are closed, we can write it as, that implies x belongs to minus 3 comma 5. Closed brackets, both also closed brackets. Let us do the third question. X less than minus 1. X less than 3. X less than minus 1, x less than 3. So here it is minus 1 and 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. X less than minus 1. Less than minus, both are open circles. Why? Because there is no equal to symbol here. Here less than minus 1. Less than minus 1 in the sense, this range of values. Less than 3. Less than 3 means this range of values. So what can be the answer over here? X less than, here minus infinity, here plus infinity. So here minus infinity comma minus 1. Minus infinity comma minus 1. So minus infinity comma minus 1, both are also closed open intervals. Union. Here also, here, since our arrow is showing in this direction, so we have to consider the smallest number. Smallest number is minus infinity only again, comma 3. So our final answer will be x belongs to minus 1 comma 3. Let us take next question. Minus 2x is greater than 0. 3x minus 4 is less than 11. In this case, students, I need x now, so I will divide by it minus 2. Since I am dividing by -2, so let me divide. -2 is greater than 0 by 2. Since I am dividing by minus number, inequality will change. So x will be less than 0. X will be less than 0. In this case, 3x will be less than 15. X will be less than 5. So instead of keeping any bracket, x less than 5. X less than 0 here, x less than 5. So let us represent it on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I am talking about less than 0 means 0 na open circle, 5 also open circle. Less than 0 means in this total direction, that is minus infinity. Less than 5 is this direction. So what can be the interval notation here? Minus infinity comma 0 union. Again this also say minus infinity comma 5. So this can be written as open interval. X belongs to 0 comma 5. Open interval. Let us take another question, students. Second question. Solve 23x is less than 100. First, x is a natural number. X should be a natural number. Second, x is an integer. X is a natural number, x is an integer. In this case, first given inequality we will write first. 23x is less than 100. So I have to divide by 23. It will become 23x by 23 is less than 100 by 23. So x less than 23 gets cancelled. X less than 23 4.5 times. 23, yeah, 4.5 times approximately it will be 4.5. So I need to take x less than 4.5 values only in our concept. So what is the first question here? What are the natural numbers? X should be a natural number. So less than 4.5. Let me write it on the number line. 0, this is negative number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 4 and 5, here it is 4.5. Now, less than 4.5 means this arrow indicates. So from 4.5, what are the natural numbers we have? That we have to represent in the first answer. So x is having a numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4. X is having a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. What about integer? X is an integer. Integer cases negative values also will be there. So we can write it as minus infinity, so on. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let us write in the flower brackets. Okay. As per the notation, infinity na, we can write in the open brackets. This is also an open bracket. Based on, if suppose your rational number given means we will take p by q forms. Natural number means what are the natural numbers? If you are saying x is a whole number means 0 also will come into this case. Let us take next question, students. So question number 4. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 is less than or equals to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. So find the x value. By solving this inequation, we need to find the x value. Answer. So first let us do cross multiplication. So 3 3s are 9 into x minus 2 is less than or equals to 25 into 2 minus x. So 9 into x, 9x minus 18 is less than or equals to 25 2s, 50 minus 25x. So 9x, let me transpose variables to one side. So 9x plus 25 is less than or equals to 50 plus 18. So 9x plus 25x, that is 34x, is less than or equals to 68. X is less than or equals to 68 by 34. I have to divide by 34, so it will be 2. So what will be the interval notation from this x less than or equals to 2? So less than, it will be minus infinity comma 2 close the bracket. Since it is equal to is the minus infinity comma 2, x belongs to. This is the interval notation.
Let us see how to solve this x value.
See here students, same fourth question, second subdivision we are doing. So first 5 minus x by 3 is less than, what is the LCM over here? 4 by 1. So LCM is 2, x as such. So 2 how many times here? 8 times. 2 4 is 8, x minus 8 by 2. So let us do cross multiplication now. So 2 into 5 minus x is less than 3 into x minus 8. So 2 5 is 10 minus 2x is less than 3x minus 24. So we'll be transposing the variables to one side. So it is minus 3x minus 2x is less than minus 24 minus 10. So it is minus 5x is less than minus 34. So I have to divide by minus. If I am dividing by minus 5, so minus 5x by minus 5 is less than minus 34 by minus 5. Since I am dividing with a minus number, inequality will change. So x greater than 34 by 5. So 5 6 is 30, 5 8 is 40. So the answer is 6.8. So what will be our interval notation here? 6.8 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. So here it will be somewhere else 6.8. This is talking about greater than 6.8. So our interval notation will start from. So we can take it as greater than 6.8 na? We can start from 6. 6 comma infinity. 6 comma infinity.